Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the timetables on the EVA Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to your home page and click on this timetable button in the middle of the screen. Then you should select your departure airport, tap on it, and then click on the arrival or your destination. Select the departure date and then the return date. Click on the done button at the top of the screen. And here you can see the timetable. You can also set the type of trip, round trip and one-way trip. So here you can find the available options. You can also search by day and by week as well. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.